6 habits that will increase the intensity of your day. You may not realize that the single most significant contributor to your success is how you appear to the world. If you drift along, no one will notice you. If you go through your day with intensity and focus, you'll project success. Confidence, assertiveness, and self-assurance are qualities of intensity that will get you noticed and ahead of the pack. Here's how to inject some intensity into your day. 1. Own your intensity. Understand the elements of intensity and what they mean for you. Stake out your own intensity profile by developing strong interpersonal skills like assertiveness. Stay in your power by making it a habit to be assertive and calm, especially when you're dealing with difficult people or subjects. 2. Stay aligned in your intensity. Your communication style must stay aligned with your personal intensity profile. It can be easy for intensity to slide into aggression if you're not careful. Being intense doesn't mean being domineering, so keep your tone, your body language, and your words calm and sincere. Look the other person in the eye. Stay relaxed and be respectful with your words. Be okay with difference. It's fine to stick to your guns, but you need to keep it respectful. Part of the power of living intensely is to be able to bring people along with you, to be inspiring, and that means being able to listen. Try to see a difference of opinion as an opportunity to listen, to be creative, to test ideas, and to see where they take you. 4. Keep it simple. Intensity doesn't have to mean being complex. In fact, you're more likely to be influential if you can state your case or present your idea simply and straightforwardly. Sincerity can be the handmaiden of intensity, as long as it doesn't tip over into making the other person feel bad or guilty. Keep it respectful. 5. Maintain good boundaries. Setting and keeping healthy boundaries is essential. Be clear about what's acceptable for you and what isn't. Once you've decided on your own rules for your life, you can be clear in your interactions with other people. 6. Balance intensity with calm. Learn to manage your intensity by staying calm. This will help you remain confident in your interactions with others and to maintain your energy levels. It's great to live an intense, passionate life, but you need to learn to manage that energy to achieve the life you want.